Class of 2020, I want to say how grateful we are that you spent 2 years of your undergraduate career here at the School of Public Health. Your energy, your advocacy, your ideas, your creativity, and your spirit have changed this place. We are so looking forward to seeing what comes next for you. We are rooting for you, we are proud of you, and we believe in the potential of each and every one of you to make a difference for good in this world. Congratulations on your graduation, and go Blue.
Hello, everyone. My name is Carl Marrs. I'm a faculty member in the Department of Epidemiology, and I would like to congratulate all of the seniors in the School of Public Health undergraduate program who are graduating this term. I take great pride in my role in establishing this undergraduate program, and the awesome students that have entered the program make us all feel quite thrilled with how that program is proceeding. I've especially enjoyed my opportunity to get to know some of you better through the classes that you've taken from me, and I'm quite convinced that this is a group of students who are going to be amazingly successful as we move out of these very trying times. So congratulations again and best wishes.
Hey, congratulations, SPH class of 2020. Never have we needed public health more, and never have I been more confident that we're training the right people. I hope you all find jobs that you like as much as I've enjoyed teaching you. And I put something together with my kids as a little send off for you. Please stay in touch, and good luck with everything.
Hi everyone, it's Dr. K. I'm recording this message to wish all of you, the School of Public Health undergraduate class of 2020, congratulations and happy graduation. I'm sorry we can't celebrate in person, but because of the pandemic of COVID-19, we can't be together right now. But that doesn't dismiss how proud I am of each and every one of you. Instead, it reinforces the importance of public health and the need for students like you, trained with the skills of public health and the passion to improve health for all people. I'm so delighted to have had the opportunity to get to know you. I'm proud to have taught you over the last 2 years in the School of Public Health, and I'm thankful for the opportunity to learn from you as well. I wish you all of the best in the future. I hope you'll keep in touch. Congratulations, happy graduation, and go Blue.
Hi, I'm Gary Harper, and I'm here to congratulate all the graduates in the Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Science programs in the School of Public Health. You worked very hard the past 4 years, and I'm excited to see the changes that you are going to make in the world. Back when we started thinking about developing the undergrad program at Public Health in 2014, I don't think we ever had any idea of what an amazing, incredible program that we would have today. And that is in large part because of you all. You are a group of energetic, bright, thoughtful, inquisitive, and social justice-oriented students. And I'm excited to see the difference that you're going to make in this world. I've had the distinct honor and pleasure of teaching community culture and social justice and public health for the BA students, and I had a number of BS students take it as well. That has been by far my favorite class ever. I've been teaching since 1986 when I was in my doctoral program. You can do the math, that was 34 years ago. And I do have to say with all honesty that this has been my favorite class to teach. It has been such a pleasure to see all of you think critically and to analyze health inequities, our public health systems, the social and structural factors that lead to those health inequities. It's really just been an amazing experience, and I know that you'll carry that with you in the work that you do. Now, as you all prepare to graduate, it's time to put all that work and all of that learning into action. You've worked hard, you've learned a lot, and I know that you will be able to make the change that you would like to see in the world. Now, I would like to share some words of wisdom for you as you move on after graduation. So any of you who know me may know that I like acronyms. So I have some acronyms for you to help you remember some thoughts and hopefully some words of wisdom as you move forward. And since we're in an educational institution, I figure let's go basic. Let's start with the ABCs. My first ABCs are about how I would encourage you to move through the world as you go on after graduation. And those ABCs stand for be authentic, be brave, and be critical. In terms of being authentic, be the best person that you can be and be the person you are. Don't let others dictate or tell you how to act, how to dress, how to address issues. You know what is best for you, and you're the only you there is, so be the best you can. Be brave. Now, I know we're coming into a public health situation worldwide with COVID-19 where there's a lot of uncertainty, and there's a lot of things that we just don't know what's going to happen. I'd encourage you as you move forward with your career and in your life to be brave, to be able to take chances and to see what you can do to bring about a difference. The third, the C, is be critical. Now, any of you who've taken my class know that that's one of my favorite words. And I would encourage you to take a critical eye and a critical lens toward all the work you do. Question everything. Ask questions. Don't just believe something because it's written or it's published or because someone in authority said that. Find out for yourself. Look at the data. Look at the source of the data. Find out what is beneath and behind the story. Unfortunately, we live in a world where there are many people in positions of power and privilege who would like to keep themselves in power and keep those who are oppressed, oppressed. We need to ask questions. We need to explore. And when we ask those questions, get ready to take action. Now, the next set of ABCs is about how I would encourage you to move forward the work you do in public health or whatever related field that you end up being in. And those ABCs are to be action-oriented, be bold, and be compassionate. In terms of action-oriented, it's one thing to learn about and know that health inequities exist or that structural barriers exist, but it's another thing to take action. You have the knowledge, you have the skills, you have the experience. Turn that into action. Don't just sit back on the sidelines. If you see an injustice, address that injustice. If you don't, then you are complacent and you are on the side of those who are promoting that injustice. Be bold. Be bold in what you do and take risks when possible. Now, I understand that not everyone has the power and privilege to take the kind of risks that they would like to. If you don't have that power and privilege, partner with others, join with others, build coalitions, and work together to bring about the change that you would like to see. The last is to be compassionate. When we're working with different populations and different peoples and different communities, we need to be caring and compassionate. Now, sometimes we may enter communities or talk to people and we may wonder why they are behaving a certain way or reacting a certain way. We don't really know anyone else's life journey but our own. So let's not make assumptions. Let's give them the benefit of the doubt and have compassion for their situation and where they are and where they're going. We also need to think about love when we think about compassion. Now, love is something we often don't talk about in public health, but love and compassion go together. And love is a critical part of how we care for people and we care for ourselves. So, as I come to an end, I want to share a couple of quotes with you. So these are quotes from two of my favorite educators and philosophers, Bell Hooks and Paulo Freire. Both of them talked about love in different ways, and I think that they have words of wisdom that I would encourage you to carry with you. So Paulo Freire said, "Because love is an act of courage, not of fear, love is a commitment to others. No matter where the oppressed are found, The act of love is commitment to their cause, the cause of liberation. Now, Bell Hooks reminds us of the connection between love and justice. And she said, "There can be no love without justice. Abuse and neglect negate love. Care and affirmation, the opposite of abuse and humiliation, are the foundation of love." Now for my final quote, I'm going to read from my favorite book, Paulo Freire's Pedagogy of the Oppressed. Again, those in 360 should know this book well. I hope so. So I want to end with a quote about education and about your future. Paulo Freire said, "Education either functions as an instrument which is used to facilitate integration of the younger generation into the logic of the present system and bring about conformity, or it becomes the practice of freedom, the means by which men and women deal critically and creatively with reality and discover how to participate in the transformation of their world." Congratulations again. I would encourage all of you to move forward with that critical lens, with that creativity, with that compassion. And I'm looking forward to hearing from all of you and hearing about how you have changed the world. Congratulations to the class of 2020, and go blue.